guys how to install a U-part wig without having to sew it on. So this is the wig that I made. It's a side part U-part wig, and I attached 2 clips to each sides of the front. Let me know if you guys would like for me to upload a video showing you guys how I make my wigs. So first, you're gonna start off on blow dried hair, and I already have it sectioned off. So this will be the part that I'll be using for my lathe out. So about like a ½ inch on each side, and then the middle where your part is gonna be about maybe like 1 inch thick or so. So I'm just going to clip that back together and leave that for later. So you're gonna start off by making sections about like 1 inch or so apart, and then you're just going to braid each section down and clip off what you're not using. So you're just gonna make a cornrow. They don't have to be perfect or anything because they're going to be under the wig. And I'm just doing mine this direction just because it's easier for me. But you can also do them straight back or whatever works for you. And you're just gonna braid until you get all the way to the end. And you're just going to repeat. I'm not using a comb because, like I said, they don't have to be perfect. So you're going to make your next braid. And you're just going to continue to do this until all of your hair is braided except for your leave out section. Now I'm going to use my heat protectant by Beyond the Zone and spray that onto my hair that I'm going to flat iron. Now I'm going to comb that through, and I'm going to flat iron my hair using my diamond straightener from Irresistible Me with the heat setting on 350. This is what the wig looks like, and here's the clips that are in each part of the front section. And I'm just going to flip it over and attach each clip to the front braid. Now I'm going to make my part, which I'm going to be wearing a side part, and then you're just going to blend your leave out with the rest of the wig hair. And now I'm just going to go through and flat iron the rest of the wig just so that it blends a little bit better and adds a little bit more curls.